Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving with the top 10 data science project which will help you to build your strong job portfolio and boost your resume. I am going to share with you these things. Number 1, the list of your top 10 data science project. Number 2, to which domain each project lie. So it will help you to choose a specific domain too if you have an interest in specific domain. Number 3, dataset resources list. Number 4, I am going to share with you how you can showcase your these expertise or skills professionally on the like the portfolio, because only doing this project is not sufficient. You should show it professionally so the recruiter can see it and they call you. Okay, this is the most important part. Generally students work a lot on the very good or the excellent project, but they don't know how to showcase their skills professionally. So I will give you the tips at the end of the video. So you are going to learn so much, which is the most important part of your AI journey. So stay with me till the end of the video. So let me open my whiteboard so we can start the project list. Okay. So now we will first, I will tell you the project top 10. Okay. Top 10 data science project list. Okay. So the first project is your NASA project. Okay. We all heard about the NASA project, NASA datasets, right? So this is the very good and excellent project. It belongs to the domain. This is space science, right? This is space science and astronomy. And what skills you will learn after doing this project? You will get a chance to brush up your skills or learn time series. If you want to use the Kepler telescope data and you want to just over the time to check how many pictures it takes over the time, what are the different, something like that. The second skill you will learn deep learning. If you are working on the pattern recognition, you can use the CNN algorithm here. The third skill, you will work a lot on feature engineering. Okay. And you can work with the here the open data set. I will share the dataset resources link or show you at the after finishing this list. But this is you can download from the NASA dataset, okay, website. So they are available freely to use, okay, and you can download and start working on this, okay. So your tech skills will be here. You will cover up here again. These were the algorithms: Python, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn, definitely, right? And pandas. So you can see now how good project is this for your portfolio, because recruiter will see you are working on this data and definitely you have used these skills and it is the very good or excellent project for you. Now the second project is the list I am sharing. It doesn't mean you need to work on all project. You can choose according to your choice, according to your domain. Okay. The next one is your YouTube data analysis. Maybe some of the students are really interested in the the Facebook data, YouTube data, podcast data, right? This is the another big project, okay? And we also call it recommendation system. How Because after doing the analysis of YouTube, like based on the comments, views, like YouTube recommend the videos, right, according to your taste. So this is the thing, you can do the analysis of this. So it will this belong to your domain, social media, right? So if you have an interest in this domain, you can pick up this project. Okay, this is media, and you will learn the skills in this web scraping, because you are going to fetch the data using your YouTube API. Okay, and you will learn this skill, number one. Number two, you can work on using the sentimental analysis. And then you will also learn about the recommender system, right, which is the most important like the skill. If you know, this is the excellent part for your job portfolio. Okay, definitely data visualization is there. Okay, you can pick up the YouTube API resources. I will show you the resource list once we finish with this list. Okay, so if you want, you can take the screenshot of this one, because I am going to clear it to write the next list. So the third project is your FBI crime data analysis. Okay, this is another project. This is from the domain. If you have an interest in your community, you want to know about like have interest in law enforcement, then this project is best for you. And public safety. Okay, maybe you are already working in this domain and you are transitioning your career into AI, then this is going to be perfect project for you. And because you are a domain expertise as well in this is a plus point for you. So what skills you will learn under this project? You will learn about the data cleaning, okay, and pre-processing using machine pandas. And the second, you will learn about the geospatial analysis, because you are going to map the crime trends, right? And then predictive modeling, right? And statistical is also there, because you will just check the crime, your factors in this correlation and those kind of factors, like if the, let's say, in specific city, if something like the robbery cases are more happening, how it is correlated with the other things. Maybe the people don't have a much jobs, or there is a I can be another reason. So this will help you to learn the statistical analysis, crime correlation factors. Okay, and definitely we are moving ahead with the next one. The next your skill is like the data science project is your FAO. This is the, if you are from the food industry, this is the food price prediction. Okay, and analysis. This is very good project if you already from the food like domain, maybe you have an interest, right? So I will show you the here like over your USA food, your website food, from where you can download the data set. Okay, and this domain is from agricultural and food security. Okay, and this is best for that one. So skills you will learn after doing this project is your time series, because you are going to check the prices of the food over the time. This is the first skill you will learn. And the second skill you are going to learn feature engineering. Because you are going to work based on the, like, there are a seasonal fruits, vegetable come up, right? So this is you can learn here. And also you will learn the supply chain as well. Okay. The third skill you are going to learn about the market trends. Okay, statistical analysis. The fourth you will learn data visualization, because you are going to show the fruits list or prices over the time, right? So these are the, till so far you have learned about the top 4 data science project. Now we will move ahead with the next list of the project, that is your the next one, fake news detection. Okay, the next one is your fifth one, fake news detection. Let me just give me 1 second. Let me position my board. Okay, so I will clean this one first and I will write it here again. This is your fake news detection. Okay, using your NLP. So its domain is media. If you are from the media domain and journalism, then this is going to be the best project for you. Even you are not, you have interest, you can do this project, because this is a eye-catching project for the recruiter. Okay. And then the skills you will learn under this project is your definitely NLP, right? And your machine learning algorithm like logistic regression, LSTM, right? And or BERT algorithm too. Okay, this is very long short term memory. This is very like the popular algorithm. We work on this, and you will also like get a chance to work based on deep learning text classification. It doesn't mean you are going to use all skills in a one project. It depends what is the goal of your project. Okay, like if you want to do the text classification, then you are going to use this one. Maybe you want to fetch out some keywords, maybe you want to predict something, something like that. Okay, and you will also like learn model deployment too. You can do the learn this skill with every project. You can use a Flask, Streamlit. You can also use this skill for other projects too. Okay. Now we will talk about the your next project, that is your credit risk analysis. Credit risk analysis. Okay. And for credit risk analysis for your loan approval. Okay. So this belong to banking domain, right? So if you are from already finance and banking domain, this project is going to be best for you. And you will learn here classification, because you want to just check if the like the customer will get the loan or not, right? Classification, you can work with the logistic regression, other classification model like XGBoost. And you will also get a chance if data is imbalanced, you can work with this SMOT method. Okay. And then probability and risk assessment. and risk assessment. Okay, definitely you can apply the deployment skills here too, because when you are working with these all projects, you are going to deploy it as well. You can use a Flask, Streamlit. Okay, the project, I will share the project list where I have already uh, shared how you can deploy the projects using the Streamlit. Okay, so now we will move ahead with the next project list. The next one is your market basket analysis. So this is belong to your project. This is the seventh one, market basket analysis. This is for your domain e-commerce. Okay, retail and e-commerce. Okay, so in this you can learn the skills under these projects like a priori, that is association, rule mining. Okay, and then recommender system again, because you are going to recommend the product, and data visualization. Okay, business intelligence is there, customer behavior is there. So there are so many skills you can learn after doing this project. Okay, and then the eighth one is your time series. Okay, forecasting the stock prices. Forecasting the stock prices. Okay, so in this you will this is belong to your finance domain, finance and investment. Okay, and you will learn in this again time series and feature engineering and your for financial data, which is a very popular, right? And trend analysis. Data pre-processing is always there, feature engineering is always there. Okay, so now we will move ahead with the last two projects which you can use to build your strong job portfolio and your resume. This is the one your the ninth one is sorry, the ninth one is your customer churn. Okay, this is very popular project. So this belong to your domain telecommunication and the your SaaS. This is your SaaS and telecommunication. Okay, it can be related to your other domain too, but this is the main domain, it can relate it. So here you can work on the like the random forest, neural network if the data is too complex, right? Because you need to do here whether the customer will churn or not, right? You need to predict something, so you can use these algorithm. Definitely for customer behavior matrices you will apply the feature engineering, whether the customer is paying the bill on the time, something like that, right? And then business impact as well, right? Because if either the customer is churn or not, it also affect your business, right? Analysis. So this is the most important skill in case of your retention strategies, right? And then definitely model deployment is always there. Okay, the last project is your AI powered resume screener. In this project, you will learn about the NLP. You will, this is belong to the domain your human resources, HR, okay, and recruitment. In this, you will work on the NLP skills. You are going to learn on the machine learning. I have like how you can implement this project. I will share the video link in the description box. So you can go and see this project and you can work on this project because I have explained very well using the data and how you can deploy the project in the Streamlit too. So these were the like your top 10 data science project which you can use, okay, and you can also build your strong job portfolio, okay. Now I am going to share with you the resources we are using which you can download the data sets, the projects I have shared with you, okay. So here this is the first one, the NASA one, okay. You can go to the NASA government, this is the website, okay, and you can download the data set from here, okay. It will give you the here, this is the one, open data, okay. So you can see the all data sets here, download, and you can start your working with the NASA project according to your choice what you want to do. You want to predict something, you want to do the data analysis, you want to like do some other things, okay. This is the catalog. You can go here. Here you will find the data sets and you can choose like this. So this is they have mentioned everything, okay, and it will also like tell you about the data set and you can choose according to your choice if in what in which like the skill or the prediction analysis you are interested to do this project, okay. The next one is your this website. This is also popular. This is something related to your community like we have discussed about the like the project. If you are love your community and you want to do something like YouTube, right, podcast, Facebook, and your other social media website, TikTok, Twitter, right. So this is also one of the like the data set resources from the Harvard undergraduate open data project. This is very popular. I will share all these links in the description box too. You can download and you can choose the categories from here, okay, and then you can work on these project, okay. So this is the very like a popular website too if you really want to learn about the these related to the community projects, okay. Okay, the next resource is your this one, food and agriculture, your organization of the United Nations. So it will give you the data set name like the complete collection. This is all records. This is the agriculture data set. If you want to work on the agriculture like the rural development, here you can see fishers, right? Livestock, forestry, food and nutrition. You can download the data set from here. It is telling you the size, last updated and number of records too. Okay, so they keep on updating. You get a chance to work on these kind of the projects. You will learn so many things like the about the food as well over the trend over the time. This is the very good project for your like the portfolio. The next one is your FBI crime data explorer. If you're again have an interest in your community, you want to work based on the like how what is the crime rate, right, and then you can choose the data from here. If you want to choose the data explorer from here, you can choose the category. Like let's say we choose the crime one. You can see how good graphs they are showing, percentage of population cover, and they are also showing us the year as well. If you want to look like this, you can also create the graphs like this, okay, and you can choose a location from it if you are interested in the specific state of this one, and you can like look at this, and then if you want to like download, then you need to go here, okay. You can choose the here topic, year, and then download. You can also choose the location of the specific state too, okay. So this is the very good like the data source about if you're interested in the community projects, as we have discussed, right, in the list. The next one is this is I have already shared with you. This is a FAO. Okay. So the next one is your Kaggle. Kaggle is the most popular website from where you can download the data sets related to the like computer science education, classification, computer vision, data visualization, pre-trained model, right? So this is totally depend on you. It is a hub of all data science project, okay, belong to the different like your domains, so you can choose according to your choice. Mostly they have the clean data set, but at a beginner level to work on these data sets is really good, right? And I will also share other things after sharing the all data set resources. Let's first finish me this thing, right? So here you have the this one UCI machine learning repository. This is the one popular data sets, right? New data sets. They have, you can see, categorized the all data sets based on the your keywords. You can choose the keywords, you can choose the attributes, data type. You are interested in the image data type, multivariate, you can set the filters, and subject area too, in which domain you are interested. It will show you, give you that one. This is the task one. You are interested in the clustering, then you can choose these data sets. So this is the very good web, like the data source, your website, very clean way where you can set the filters and you don't need to like waste your time to looking for searching the data set. So this is the very good one too. Okay. And the next one is your, this is the data dot your gov, right? And this is showing the data sets by organization. I have used it many times. This is very good website. You will find the updated data sets too. If you are interested in the previous historical, like you want to do analysis of the previous years, you will find many data sets from here. Okay. And this is only related to your government data sets, right? And whenever you want to download it, you can come here. You can see here there is a your 3 lakh data sets found, right? And you can choose from here the different version to CSV, RDF, JSON, XML. Okay, they are also mentioning here state, city, federal, that according to that one you can choose the top category. If you are interested in the health one, you can choose the health one. And they are also showing you the tags too. Okay, the format too, in which format your data set lies. So this is the best data like the resource repository. Okay. And the next one is your data world. This is also I have used many times, especially for the COVID times. And then these are the like the data sets here list. You can go here, explore the data and business, this one. Okay. You need to download, you need to sign up here. Okay. And then you can download the data set, but it's a free to use. You only need to like check, okay, about the here how like which data set you want to use, which is available free. Some are paid too. Okay, up to some extent they give you the free data set. Okay, and this is very popular for the government data sets as well. Okay, and it's easy to use. Okay, and then we have the here Google data sets too. Google data sets search. Okay, you can also use this one too. Okay, this is very popular. You can download the data set from the GitHub too. This is like, let's say you are interested in the YouTube, this one. Okay, so it will give you the this one. Okay, Statistician is also a good website. Okay, so this is also like I have used many times, Statistician. It will show you the graphs, it also give you the data set, but this is very clean, you know. So but it will give you the very good daily data. They used to update the data on daily basis, but there are a paid data sets too. Okay, but this is a very good website too. Okay, if you want to look at the like want to take the idea what are the like the in the more trends, so you can work on that project. Okay, this is another website, this is very popular. So I have shared with you many data sets like the resources. Okay, this was the list of the different data set resources. You can bookmark this all list, or either you can type the list name in the document along with your the data science project here. So this was all about your the data top 10 data science project. It doesn't mean you need to work on all data science project. You can choose any five, because I have showed you the plenty of domain options. If you are belong to any same domain, then this was the golden opportunity for you. You know on what kind of the project you can work. You have the like the data set resource list too with you. And now I am going to tell you how you can like visualize or showcase your expertise. Okay, doing the data science project is not sufficient. You should know how you can showcase your expertise. Number one, whenever you are working with your project, upload it onto the GitHub repository. Okay, you can also use the GitHub projects showcase, create a different repositories, okay, for each your data project name. If you are, let's say you are working on the two projects, you are working on the data visualization number one, and then you are working on the model building, then create the two different like the repository, upload your notebook inside it, connect it with your front end. How you can make a one website page where you can just highlight one screenshot of your visualization and just mention the goal or the name of the project, then connect it with your GitHub, something like that. This is very important. If you are just keep on doing the work, you are uploading the data with the you are not following any professional like the repository structure, there is a no use to spend a lot of time on the project. Okay, this is the most important. So make a proper directory structure and then upload the project inside it. You can use the GitHub number one, you can use any website, or three, you can make any HTML your page where you can showcase the project list. Okay, based on the domain too, you can set the headline finance and marketing your domain, and then the project name, then the next just list the top like the domain from social media and entertainment, give the one project under that. So whenever employer is looking at your like the portfolio, it is a very eye catching, it's very clear to them on what kind of the projects you have worked. It's very important. And the third resource, you can use a LinkedIn. Okay, you can showcase your expertise on the LinkedIn. And the next one is you can also build any like your TikTok reels where you can showcase your about the project. Okay, you can showcase your expertise. You can also post the article on what kind of the project you have worked on the medium. Okay, so there are many resources where you can showcase your expertise. If you really want to take a deep dive, then you can watch my video. I will share the list too, how you can build your strong job portfolio. I have shared the proper directory structure, how you can create the directory structure on the GitHub, and then you can showcase your expertise. This is very important. Don't stop yourself only to doing the projects, but you should also know how to showcase your expertise. Okay, just focus on two like the GUI interface. Either you can be like showcase your expertise on LinkedIn plus your GitHub connected with that one, or either you can choose the website link with your GitHub. That's it. You don't need to maintain the multiple websites like the to showcase your expertise. They are not looking for that. They are looking for your skills. They are looking for the clean your showcase of your projects. That's it. Okay, if you are mentioning the your domain, then project list, domain name, project list, goal, recommendation, main strategies you have used. That's it. It's a very clear to the employer or the interviewer what you are doing with your project. This is what they want. They are not looking for messy code. Okay. If you are interested to know how you can build a strong job portfolio, I will share the link. You can watch my that series, and if still you have a question, you can contact me. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video will be very useful for all of you and help you to boost your resume. See you in the next video. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.